Ignition. And liftoff.
Welcome back, dudes. It's day number 2 of the 2003 CBR 600RR rebuild. I'm going to reflect on the lessons I've learned. It came with a wrecked gas tank, and luckily it was a brand new fuel pump. So the issue I had the other day was yesterday, fuel pump was bad. But when I took the fuel pump off the old tank, one of the studs snapped right off. When I was gently taking the bolts off too, and it snapped right off. So I'm going to take that down to the local welder and see if he can weld me back a stud on there. But for right now, it's got a wrecked tank on it. But it's getting, the fuel pump is priming. The fuel tank is super clean. There's no leaks. It's all hooked up. And then there's a little relay, little plastic relay on the front, and it's bad. So it's not, the ECU is not telling the fuel pump to turn on and to pump into the injectors. So got like 5 days for that wait, and then yeah, so I'm gonna move over to the dirt bike and see if I can put some goop on it so it doesn't leak gas and we can ride around the neighborhood. Sweet, let's get that started. All right, so the only issue preventing us from riding this down the street is the little leak on the petcock. So got some gasket dressing from Permatex. It's fuel resistant. We'll goop some of that on there. 15 minutes flash time, and then pour a bunch of fuel and see if it'll run up and down the street. And then that will tell us if we need to clean the carb or not. But yeah, let's get that done. Alright, this is going to be one of the first starts of this bad boy. Ugh. That starter fluid. Sprayed in this crack right here.
Solid?
Yeah. Starter fluid. More starter fluid. What?
What do you think that is?
Just cold and bogged down. It's a little old gas.
Can we hop on it? Damn, bro.
Yeah, just this chunk. More starter fluid. Yeah, you can keep spraying it while it's running.
Yeah. that die?
No, it died. It bogged down. It's got a dirty carb.
Okay.
Dirty carb, but at least it runs.
Sound well.
Woo! Alright, just took a run to O'Reilly's, finished installing the carb. Got a tiny little fuel filter, see if that helps keep some fog out. And 2 different sizes to make sure. Throw that on there, and then hopefully it'll start. Alright, this is post-carb clean. Attempt start number 1. We'll for good luck. Idling too low.
Started right away though.
Yeah, super clean. Super clean. The screwdriver again. So as you guys saw, the CR250 was just running right there in the driveway. Then we had to go. So we ripped it around the neighborhood for a little bit, forgot to film it. We put the toys away, so we'll have to edit in some clips or drop the next video taking it to the sand dunes. But carb clean on this one, and this video actually comes out before this video, so I already told you what it is at the beginning, but here it is with the parts on the way there. So sweet. We're gonna be working on this. This is my roommate's motorcycle. So sticker kit, new plastics, the works. So sweet. Thanks for tuning in.